let's have a look at how you can import this Figma file into Klaviyo. So basically what I want to do is, the first thing, I want to grab the slice tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to dissect this email into image files. And so I'm going to do this by taking the first slice here. So essentially you want to slice it up based on where you want the user to be able to click. So the first slice here, for example, has the logo here. So essentially I want them to be able to click on the home page or direct them to the home page. Then the second slice we can take from the hero section here. So they go to the product landing page. Then the third one from the hero section here. For example, like this. Actually, I'm gonna dissect these a bit more. Okay. And then the footer, since we have four different buttons here, so you want to have 4 different slices. Okay, and the unsubscribe here as well. Just want to make sure these cover this for the majority. So 600. I want to make sure all of these are actually 600. The width at least. Okay. This is a bit messed up. Okay, so here we go. So we have dissected this email into 11 slices. So what I want to do now is take these slices, hold down Shift on the left here, choose all of these slices and export these as 2x and as JPEGs. You wanna export these as JPEGs and not PNGs because this is better for email deliverability and it will also look better on dark mode. So I'm gonna export these 11 layers. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to the JPEG optimizer. And I'm gonna drop these slices here because you want to optimize the file sizes here, because if the email file ends up being too large, then it might not load for the user at all and they don't see the whole email and it's a mess, and you don't want that to happen. Okay, so I'm gonna, as you can see, the size is reduced significantly, so I'm gonna just download all of these. And then after that, we're gonna go into Klaviyo and upload this. So see you in Klaviyo. So here we are in Klaviyo in my test account. So I'm just gonna create a new campaign here, just as a draft. And we're gonna upload this Figma design into here. So, okay, so we are in the drag and drop editor now. So what we want to do here is we want to start adding images here. Since we had 11 slices, we want to have 11 image boxes here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, and what we're gonna start doing is we're just gonna start uploading these images here. So I'm gonna start off with the first one. Obviously you want to have normal names here, but I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Oops. Okay. So second one. As you can see, it starts to look exactly the same as in Figma. So, and that's exactly what we want. Okay. Actually, I realized I do not have to go here. I can just do it way easily. So I can drop it here, and drop it here. Okay, and now we just have the footer left. Oops. Okay, and then the final slice here. Just gonna get rid of this. Okay, and there you go. Here is the campaign. And as you can see, it looks exactly the same as it did in Figma. I'm just gonna preview this. So as you can see, the size is fine. It's not big at all, and it will look great in Gmail. So here's the desktop version, looks great. Mobile version also looks great. All you want to do is you want to add the links here. So for example, here you direct the user to the home page, here in the hero to the product landing page, etc. So now you know how to design highly converting email campaigns in Figma, also how to upload them to Klaviyo. It's really simple. Anyone can do it. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.